Hey guys, this is Panusri and welcome to my class How to Blend Colors in Procreate Part 1. In this class, I'm going to teach you all the basic things you need to know to blend colors effectively in Procreate. If you are a Procreate beginner or maybe using Procreate for the very first time, then consider taking my first class, Getting Started with Procreate for iPad Pro, and learn the very basics first. Else you might find this class a bit difficult to understand. And if you already a regular Procreate user and need some help with blending, then you are good to go. There will be another part to this class where I will be covering blend modes or layer modes only, and I will show you how to get different blending effects with different blend modes. So in this part you will learn the basics. I will share the basic things you should know and understand before you start blending. Then same layer versus separate layers. Here you will learn how to use layers for blending and the difference between using single layer and separate layers. Next, finally, I will show you how I blend from start to end with step-by-step instructions. For blending, I have used one of my custom brushes along with default brushes, and you will be able to download it for free. We'll tell you how in the last video. For your class project, simply draw an object or a character and share the final outcome as your class assignment. You can also join my Draw This Inner Style challenge on Instagram and share your work here as class project. Also, your works will be featured on my Instagram story, so don't forget to share it. Now let's get started.